Today we are discussing about process and project in software engineering. What is mean by process and what is mean by project? What is the differences between process and project that are discussed in today's session. Process is a sequence of steps performed for a given task or given project. A process is a sequence of steps performed for a given task. The purpose is to develop software to satisfy needs of some users or clients. The purpose of is to develop software satisfies the needs of a user or needs of a clients. A software project is one instance of this problem, and the development process is what is used to achieve this purpose. What is used to achieve this purpose. So, process means it is a sequence of steps. By using that steps, we can prepare one project. That project satisfies the user need. That project solve the user problem. Process and project. A software project is a collection of instructions or collection of programs. So all these programs or that software satisfies the user needs. So to satisfy the user needs, we can implement one software. That software is implemented using some procedures. That procedure is called as a process. That procedure is called as a process. And user needs satisfies some product. To satisfy the user need using of some software products. A house building project would have a list of activities including building foundation, building walls, put the roof on, fit doors and windows, install the electrical system, install the plumbing, bathrooms and kitchen fitting, lay crackers. So all these steps are used to build a house. At the same time, we are follow some steps to implement the project. That steps is called as a process. Using process model in a project. Using process model in a project. Software, the purpose of is not only developing software to satisfy the need of some users or clients. The purpose is not only to develop the software. It satisfies the user need or client need. But we want to that the project be done in the low cost and the cycle time and delivery high quality software. So we can build the software. That software is implemented in the low cost and implemented in low time. It produces the high quality. These are the main factors to implement the project. To implement the project. Based on these factors, we can implement the project. That project satisfies the user needs. Hence, selecting a suitable development process model for a project is a key decision. So there are different software development process models are there, like waterfall model, iterative model, time box model, RUP model, agile model. But choosing of or selecting of suitable process model is the key decision. So same process model is does not support for two or three process models. So if the process model is selecting based on the project, based on the time, based on the requirements, that is the key decision. So case study 1, suppose a small team of developers has been ensuited with the task of building a small auction site for local university. The university administration is willing to spend some time at the start to help develop the requirements, but it is expected that their availability will be limited later. The team has been given 4 months to finish the project, and an extension of the deadline seems very impossible. That means when we are implementing the project, some requirements are specified at starting and some requirements are given later. So all the requirements are fully available, then the waterfall model is suitable. So in that case study, waterfall model is not suitable because some limited requirements are there. So we can process the limited requirements, we can use the iterative process model. And the second condition is the project is deployed on the 4 months. That means finished the project in 4 months. So we can implement the project in the fixed time duration. Time box model is suitable. Case study 2. Consider another example where the customers are a high competitive environment where requirements depend on what the competition is doing, and delivering functionality regularly is a highly desirable. Furthermore, to reduce cost, the customer wants to outsource as much project work as possible to another team in the another country. So consider another example where the customers are high competitive environment. So high competitive environment means we whatever we are developing the project, that is competitive with different environments where the requirements are depends on the competition, where the requirements are dependent on the competition, and deliver a functionality regularly is highly desirable, and it to be implemented in a low cost reduces the cost. So if the competition is heavy, we can change the requirements rapidly. So first we process the requirements. If the competition is there, we can change the requirements. So after completion the project, any competition is there, we can also change the requirement. So the same process will continuously fulfill the all the requirements, fulfill the all the competition. So requirements are changed rapidly and reduces the cost. So in this process, waterfall model, iterative model are not suitable. Agile process model is suitable because agile process model it allows rapidly changing of requirements, and also it by using of RUP model to reduce the cost of the project. Project management process. Project management process is an administration process for the planning and control of services or the implementation of the project. So project management is the process. Project management is the process. What that process? We are plans for the project. Based on the planning, all the project activities are run correctly and smoothly. This process begins after the approval by the customer. The process starts after the approval of the customer, is based on the contract and is targeted on the initial values of the process and the general management of project. Every process model follow some procedure. Follow some procedure. That procedure is planned